Okay, so this is just a really short demo of how the Genius system, the PD system, sits in front of the Agilix system. So here's courses. I'm on the registration page, and I can look at the prerequisite for that YouTube course channel. You know me in YouTube. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my shopping cart, and I click on the shopping cart, and I've got to say who I am. So I'm going to put in Colleen, and I'm going to use my email address, and you have this affiliations, which are basically brick and mortar buildings. I'm going to go ahead and register. So it creates it, and I see my shopping cart, and so I'm going to go ahead and confirm the payment, and it's going to send me an email with some instructions, and I'm going to go to the dashboard, and now I've got a course. And I've got other courses I could register, withdraw, print my transcript, edit my account. Lots of things. I have learning paths. I have pending courses that are waiting to be approved that I can take, course activities, attendance. If I click on this little guy, it's going to then take me over to Buzz and single sign me in, which we talked about, and now I'm ready to go. I click on that, and I'm off and running. I have my employment agreement, so I come in, put my name, and I say, yep, I'm going to submit that. And yep, I'm good to go. Get a little check mark. I'm going to create my channel. Mark it as complete. All that stuff. I'm done. So I'm going to just drop out of here and head back over. And I'm going to say, hey, I want to register for another course. And I could do a learning path. I could do other things in here, but I want to work on Excel. So I'm going to add Excel to my shopping cart. And then I'm going to go ahead and proceed to the shopping cart. It already knows who I am. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And now that I've confirmed, I'm going to go to my dashboard. Now I've got two, right? YouTube, PD for Excel. Click on PD for Excel. It might be nice if this were deep linked. It's not, but it takes me over, single sign on me again, and I'm in and running. So it just works, right? When I'm done, I pop back out again, and it's gathering data for me. And yeah, there's just interesting stuff that I get to see. It updates the data about every 4 hours. And yeah, that's how it works.